Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Happy Thursday, and it's the first day of spring, and it's snowing in Chicago. Kind of an asterisk or an underscore of what the winter's been like here in Chicago. Overnight prices mixed, corn and wheat lower, beans higher, led by the nearby outside markets, dollars higher, and most commodities are lower. We continue to focus on four major factors in the grain markets. The number one is just what's going on in the outside markets, Russia, Crimea, yesterday's Fed comments. All this is moving money around, and we'll just kind of see, especially in Russia and Crimea, how many additional steps Russia takes, or if this is it. Number two happens to do with China. We continue to see data coming out of China that suggests their economy might be slowing. It could offer some resistance to commodity markets. Chinese are also talking about shifting some soybean cargoes to the U.S. The numbers don't really suggest that it's going to make that big of a difference as far as U.S. soybean old crop supply is concerned, but psychologically it could offer some resistance. It just kind of underscores the spread between Brazil prices and U.S. prices, and that if they're willing to take a hit on it, the beans can move into the United States. Number three is weather. We're still looking at a cold winter. Will that slow U.S. corn plantings? Will that gum up logistics? And will that stress the winter wheat crop? It is interesting that if we look at the long-range maps, it's actually starting to show a little bit of chance of moisture in the southern plains. And the reliability that far out is extremely low, but we're going to watch that and see if maybe we can get some moisture down into the southern plains. And finally is the USDA March 31st report. Last year the report was bullish beans, bearish corn, and the market still thinks that could happen again this year. We've seen a lot of option trading getting geared up to protect risk, whether the report is bullish or bearish, but we'll be looking at that report for a pretty volatile reaction to the market. Market's going in basically long corn, beans, wheat, meal, and oil, and we'll see what the government has to say. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.